Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a great day so far. It's a beautiful day here in the East Coast. It's Alex Lasso, your Cool Albino, with another Friday fitness video. Today I'm going to talk to you and show you and demonstrate to you a few upper body exercises, calisthenics related, triceps and abs that you can incorporate, you can start using in your fitness routine. And this is going to work whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even advanced, because it's going to help you in all levels of your fitness journey. This week we won't be able to do a fitness challenge video, but I promise you I'll have that for you next week or the week after, just because this weekend we're gonna be packed doing some promotion and stuff for our soccer balls guys that came in. So stay tuned for that on Instagram or Facebook and TikTok. We're gonna do it on those three platforms. And also I'm gonna shoot a motivational video for you on Sunday talking about the soccer balls guys. But I promise you I'll bring a fitness Friday challenge next week or the week after guys. We got to get one in this month, okay? So stay tuned for that. And also today we're going to talk about those upper body workouts and exercises, so stay tuned. Don't leave your computer guys. Promise you today's video is going to be good. You're gonna want to know what it's all about, as we're starting off with 2 miles, then we're doing the exercises. So okay guys, so we're done with 2 miles. Today I'm taking you to the park. So we're gonna start backwards. I'm starting backwards with triceps. I'm gonna show you the workout that I'm gonna do. And the reason is because even if we get tired or we can't go anymore, that's fine. Biceps, it's a different part of your body. But if we look, what I've noticed working out is when I work on my biceps, somehow it affects my tricep workout. I don't know if it's just me. If you've experienced this also, comment down below. Yes, give it a thumbs up. I'm going to show you first the tricep workout, then we're going to do the bicep workout. With triceps, one workout, but we're doing it 3 times. One workout, 3 sets, 10 reps. One workout, 3 sets, 10 reps. It's just simple tricep dips. That's it. Number 1 is tricep dips. Let's go. If you're going to park with this, or you need some metal bars in between, in front of you, or on each side, whatever you find that you can do dips, do them. We're doing 3 of 10 guys. The only reason why, because this is a little bit harder. It's gonna work your chest as well. Why? Because it's kind of open, it's pretty wide, and when you're pretty wide it works your chest as well. I recommend you find something closer where you can actually put all your weight on your triceps. I mean, this actually works really well, but I just like it when it's a little bit more closed in. This is kind of too wide. And now I'm going to show you another one. We did 3 there. I'm going to do 3 right here. Same thing, we're doing 3 sets of these. Hey guys, simple tricep workout. These are my favorite workouts. 3 different bicep workouts to help you with your biceps. If you're struggling to grow your biceps guys, I suggest you change it up. Leave the gym, enjoy the beautiful weather now, find a park and work out. Okay, so number 1, you might have seen it already, we're doing underhand pull-up, but we're doing it differently guys. We're doing it with our fingertips. Okay, we're not grabbing the whole bar, we're doing it with our fingertips. We're doing 5 sets of 5, and that's it. Okay, 5 sets of 5. Take a look. Grab this right here like that with your fingertips. See, my whole hand is not on the bar. You go up. There you go. See, look at my hand, it's off the bar. Okay guys, so the next one I'm going to show you is a very different type of workout. This is gonna work your biceps. It's also gonna work your chest and a little bit of your back. This is the type of pull-up that not many people can do. You're gonna grab your hands, put them inside this bar right here, like this, and then go up. I recommend you start off with just 2 sets, 5 sets of 2, that's it. Meaning you do 10 pull-ups. So now we're on the last workout for this closed in pull-up. Remember, think of working your chest and your back at the same time. I almost couldn't do it guys, because those are hard. For those, I recommend you do only a couple of them. And before we continue with the last pull-up workout for today, don't forget to give this video a like so you can help us boost the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe right there at the right bottom of the video and turn on your post notifications. That way you're notified whenever we drop another awesome Fitness Friday video or Sunday motivational video, guys, as I drop 2 videos a week and you don't want to miss them. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't checked out the brand, guys, go check it out right there. dreamerapparel.online. First link in the description. Go cop your merch, your hoodie. That's one just a simple bicep workout, but the way we're gonna do it so it can focus simply on your bicep. Okay, take a look. Underneath, we're gonna go slowly all the way up, go all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. We're doing it 3 times, 5 sets, and we'll be done with this, guys. Number 1, we did dips. Number 2, we did biceps. Now number 3, I'm going to show you, actually not show you, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about a strategy that I've been trying that's going to help you with your fitness journey. Okay, so what's the strategy, guys? Pretty much, if you're stuck right now, as I mentioned earlier, if you've hit a plateau, you got to try something different. Okay, mix it up. Do some weight training, but also do some calisthenics. If you've been doing calisthenics for a while, go to the gym, but do some high intensity workouts. Go to the field, try something at the field. Just be creative. Don't be so stuck into the plan that you have, because then that's what's gonna get you into that plateau. That's what's going to overwhelm you with the workouts, and when you don't see results, that's even worse, guys. You're gonna be depressed. So yes, stick to that plan for like 3-4 days a week, which is what I do. And then 2 days a week, what I do is I become creative. I want to do something different, something that I don't really do the entire week. Like go to the field, do calisthenics, just go for a run all day, or go play soccer, do an activity. Something that keeps your brain going and keeps you thinking of doing something different every day, guys. Doing jumping jacks, whatever it is. Because if you stick 5 days a week, I mean, it's good discipline, but you gotta have to give yourself and your body and your mind time to be creative. So that's a new strategy I've been trying, guys. It's been working out really well. So 4 days a week I have my plan, break it down: 2 days upper body, 2 days lower body, and then Friday I try something different. Saturday as well, I do like an activity or some other different workout at the field, and Sunday I just rest. Hopefully you learned something. This video brought value to you, and you can use those workouts to incorporate into your fitness routine, guys. So stay inspired, stay fit, and remember, great things happen when you believe in yourself, you dedicate yourself to do what you love, guys. What's our motto? Create the vision, live the dream.